Hello judges, very warm welcome to you to review our RX Insight project, our Physician's Digital Companion presented by Insights team. Myself Ravindra and my co-team member is Ruben. We are trying to reduce the administrative burden of our physicians by digitalizing the patient records. We would also aid physicians by suggesting medication based on the patient's symptoms and also give a vernacular touch to the patient records for ease of use by the patient. Problems would be faced by all healthcare providers as there would be an additional burden of digitalizing the records to comply with NDHM. As we are capturing the patient information firsthand, we are reducing the misinterpretation of the information by subsequent users and hence assuring the quality of data. As mentioned earlier, we would also reduce the administrative burden for healthcare professionals. Our services doesn't end at conversion of medical records. It also helps patients review the medical information in their vernacular language of choice. We have expertise in providing diagnostic and EMR solutions to US and UK market and want to enable India in adopting to the digital healthcare at ease and also make it affordable to all sections of the society. Digital pen would be used to capture the patient data in a templatized form pre-filled with all the on the medical condition diagnosed by the doctor, and once the consultation is completed, based on the language selected, the form would be converted to the chosen vernacular language and stored as patient record. And since the information is captured firsthand by the doctor and is recorded as is, any subsequent recipient of patient record would be rest assured of data quality. We are automating the process of capturing the patient health record itself and providing values added services like vernacular translation, standardizing the templates for reporting as per NHS National Resource Center for EHR standards. Basically, all healthcare providers are would be our customers, both government and private players. This includes teleconsultation providers, hospitals, and clinics. We want to partner with niche teleconsultation provider and pursue them to be our reference customer, gain the confidence of showcasing the product market fit using value delivery process. We would be offering at a discount in subscription fee in return for the value feedback that our partner would be providing us to us. We would be gaining more players by showcasing our strengths of our reference customers and also demo to all telemedicine providers, hospitals, clinics, and government bodies. We would be utilizing the digital pen to record the doctor's writing in an electronic format and later convert the reports to vernacular language of choice. And also, as mentioned earlier, we are partnering with small teleconsultation providers as early adopters to deliver an MVP and incorporate any valuable market feedback as we go along to make it more product market fit. Cost is around 10K to 15K dollars to build a working increment with a basic minimal set of features. And once we deploy the product into production environment in any of our teleconsultation clients, then we would evolve as we go along. Revenue would be subscription based, and we are planning to charge around 10 cents at this point per consultation. But yeah, it depends on the negotiations that we go around. Already there are players like Doxper, IRX, WONDRX. That's all I have for this presentation. Thanks for listening to us. Hope you found this idea interesting.